feel a little Michael Jackson coming onto them. A cosmic vacuum.
This dude who doesn't realize if it's boy or girl, or black or white, a monkeys or a Jackson 5. Dangerous she. I'm talking about a guy on a fuzzy tree. And Michael had a baby. A little baby, Elvis or Jackson. And Michael had a baby. A little baby Elvis or Jackson, yeah.
He's a king.
I got a problem here. A big problem.
I was busy doing the claw when I got this wacky son-in-law.
The Glow, National Enquirer.
They say he's a cat to admire. If he's so bad, the man I'm stunned. Hey, sonny, go out and give me a gun. I gotta blow out this TV. Cause the things that Sally and Springer and old Fred Morado were saying about Lisa Marie. Now I hang my head in shame. I gotta change the name of my plan, everybody.
Lisa Marie.
And the Bronco had a baby. They call him Little Baby Elvis Jackson.
Lisa Marie.
And Michael had a baby. They call him Little Baby Elvis Jackson.
Lisa Marie.
And Michael had a baby. A little baby Elvis Jackson. And his mama cried. I really think his granddaddy's crying too. You're right. My grandbaby better not have that god-darn vitiligo, I'll tell you that for sure. Have to feed him to bubbles. Hey, just think, me and Joe Jackson, grandpappies,